Welcome to my honest review of Spreadshop, a print-on-demand dropshipping platform that allows you to create and sell custom merchandise without any upfront costs. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a full-fledged online business, Spreadshop makes it easy to set up an online store and start selling. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with the platform, focusing on its features, ease of use, and overall performance. When you first visit Spreadshop, the registration process is quick and straightforward. You can easily sign up and start creating your shop without any complex setup. One of the most appealing aspects of Spreadshop is its no-cost entry. There are no fees to create your shop, which means you can start without any financial risk. This makes it an ideal platform for beginners in the print-on-demand space. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with a simple and clean interface. The dashboard is intuitive, giving you access to everything you need to manage your store. You can upload your designs, choose from a variety of products to print on, and customize your shop's branding. Spreadshop offers a wide range of products including apparel, accessories, home goods, and more, allowing you to cater to different niches and customer preferences. The product customization options are extensive. You can create multiple variations of each design, choose different colors and sizes, and even adjust the placement of your artwork on each product. For creators and designers, this flexibility is key to standing out in the competitive print-on-demand market. Pricing and profit margins are transparent, which is essential for anyone starting a dropshipping business. Spreadshop allows you to set your own prices above the base costs, and you'll earn the difference as profit. They also provide a breakdown of the base costs for each product, so you know exactly how much you're making with each sale. Another major feature is the built-in marketing tools that Spreadshop offers. From SEO settings to promotional banners, they give you the tools to drive traffic to your store. The platform also integrates with other e-commerce platforms like Shopify, which is great for scaling your business if you want to sell on multiple channels. One of the most convenient features of Spreadshop is the automated order fulfillment. Once you receive an order, Spreadshop handles everything from printing the design on the product to packaging and shipping. This means you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping logistics, allowing you to focus on creating and marketing your products. While Spreadshop has a lot of benefits, it's important to note that competition is fierce in the print-on-demand space. To succeed, you'll need to consistently create high-quality, unique designs and promote your store effectively. However, for anyone looking to start a dropshipping business with minimal risk, Spreadshop offers an accessible platform that's both user-friendly and feature-rich. In conclusion, Spreadshop is an excellent option for anyone looking to start a print-on-demand store without any upfront costs. The platform is easy to use, customizable, and provides a wide variety of products to choose from. If you're considering getting into dropshipping or building a custom merchandise store, Spreadshop is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights into the best dropshipping platforms and tools.